Hi, food lovers. Join me today as I make a mouth-watering native concoction rice made the authentic way with iru and palm oil. So, guys, we'll be using onion, rodo, tatashe mix, iru, rice, of course, chicken, seasoning cube, oil, salt to taste. So while waiting for the pot to dry off water, so first I'll go in with my palm oil. Next, you have to wait a few minutes for the oil to be hot. Then you follow up with frying the onion. Fry it for a few minutes as well, maybe one or two. Then you go in with your peppermint, rodo, tatashe, jumbo. We'll be adding our secret ingredients, which is iru, also known as locust bean. This gives the rice that rich, healthy local flavor. Just can't get anywhere. Then I go with seasoning cube, and then we also go in with a bit of crayfish, to give it. Next, I go in with my stock to give it full flavor. So next, we'll add some water, bring it to a boil. Then we'll go in with our rice and let everything come together so beautifully. The rice soaking in that vibrant red oil, seasoned to perfection with native spice. And so, guys, this is everything and how I made this mouth-watering native concoction rice, packed with flavor, culture, and love. Simple ingredients, bold taste. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more local dishes made easy. Bye, lovelies.